Hey guys, so we're gonna start with prepping the nails. Give yourself a manicure. Usually I do it the day before I do my nail set, but I'm just showing you guys a little snippet of how I do it. This nail set is inspired by Bridgerton. I did finish season 1 and season 2. Now I'm watching Charlotte, and girl, let me tell you, spicy, dramatic, delusion, all of it. Okay, so I'm going in with my dehydrator and primer. All the stuff that you see in this video, I did get from Amazon, and it will be down in my description box. So you can click that link and pick up all the stuff that you need, or you could just watch it if you don't do nails. But yes, I did use 3 coats, no base, and it really holds well. No lifting either, because, well, the main steps that you need to do is the prep. I bought these foil forms off of Shein, and they were pretty inexpensive. They're easy to use, and I find it way better than using dual forms and tips. Using tips really ruins my nail bed and it weakens it, and I don't really like that. So I'm just sticking to the foil forms. So with the polygel, all I'm doing is tapping and dragging it, and for the slip solution, I'm really just using rubbing alcohol. I use 91%. Sometimes I'll use like 75%. While I'm tapping and dragging, I'm creating an ombre effect like a baby boomer. And what I'm doing is like lightly just spreading out the tip of that nude, so that when I do add the clear gel, it'll just look like a ombre effect. For the clear gel, I did end up using 2 coats of it on my thumb because I didn't know whether or not if I needed to make it thick or thin, because it's so clear, like I can't really see. I'm going in with my e-file, and I'm just like buffing it out. Just even, you know, I didn't really file too much. I did end up using a 180 file, hand file, and I shaped the nails, or just like cleaned it up. But yeah, I'm still learning how to use the e-file. After that filing, I did top my nails off with base coat, and I do this because I know I'm doing a design. I don't like using top coat first, because that's just not how I do it. I didn't have any like 3D gels, so what I did was use baking powder and White Polygel, mix it all together so it can create a more firmer gel. Typically polygel is jelly, like it's very smooth, it spreads easily once your wet brush touches it, but once you like thicken it with the powder, it'll mold better, if that makes sense. There's a link that I will put down, because I watched a video on YouTube and it was like really helpful. She didn't use baking powder, but she did use a clear acrylic powder. The brush that I'm using is from Michaels. It's an acrylic and watercolor brush. It works perfect for this design. Also, my phone did die, so I don't show you how I did the entire nail set. I did take pictures. You can find it on my Instagram and Pinterest. Here's the end results. I'm just putting top coat underneath the nails. I put it on top of the nails and the gems. And honestly, I'm in love with this set. This is by far the best set I've done. And you can find more of my nail sets on my Instagram. I've done anime nails, French tips, all that good stuff. But yeah, you can share this with your nail technician. I would be very happy if you did, because they came out bomb. Or just share it with anybody. Yeah, let me know how you feel about these nail set or about this video. I can't wait to share more videos like this, because this feels like me. Hope to see you guys soon in the next video, probably like next week. All right, deuces.